Tammy and I are here at the east side, St. Paul.
East side!
Where Tammy's from. They're having a big food truck gathering. We thought we'd walk around, look at the various stuff, and gorge. That's some roasted corn here. Tater tot temptation. Take a shot of the menu.
Did that say nacho tater tots?
Yes. Gray Duck Concessions. See that, Tammy? The maple bacon donuts. Everything's better with bacon, right?
Yeah.
I might try those, the maple bacon.
Okay.
What do we got here? Yummy Asian food, it says. The Yum Yum truck. Honey garlic wings. Yum Yum chicken. Nice. What we got here? We got the Thai street food. I'm getting hungry just smelling it. Pigs Unlimited. Oh, they got pulled pork, buffalo pulled pork. Oh, that looks good too. Supreme loaded nachos. El Mexicano grill. Taste of real Nawlins. Egg roll queen.
I've heard about that. People like, she sells out like
really
crazy. Yeah.
Oh, well, we might have to try that. Grumpy Claude's. I had to stop it for a second so I don't get gigged on the music. So good. Man, that smells so good back there. Oh god. Hearty trays. Espartaco, Mexican Tater, Salvadorian street food, and some egg roll, or Sumo egg roll. Well, we gave you a tour. We'll come back and film if we get something tasty to eat. See ya. Oops, we found a couple other trucks we had to film. We'll show them to you. We got chips, Thai food, KCM egg rolls. Lots of egg rolls here. The wings out, and dip and eat. That burrito looks good. Cheese curds? Somebody say cheese curds? We'll be back. Right there is Tammy's esquite. It's corn with mayo and chili powder and lime. Mixing it up.
Oh, it's
Good?
you know what it tastes like?
But
Like that corn you used to buy.
oh yeah.
You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah, that's not bad.
That's not bad.
Hopefully I don't have it on my mustache. We'll be back. That right there is our maple bacon mini donuts. Let's give them a try. Not bad.
Not bad?
Okay. I gotta get some bacon.
Yeah, I know. That's what I'm trying to. Really?
That was pathetic.
I made it so it just fell apart.
Put your hand underneath it.
Oh, I don't want that big a bite.
Yes, you do.
They do?
Yes. Much better when you get all the goodness.
Oh, they're hot. Woo. Like heat hot.
I like those.
You like them?
Oh.
Good, they're all yours.
The East Side food truck thing here is being sponsored by Gustavus Adolphus Lutheran Church here, for those who may have been interested. We got a egg roll from, what was the name of the place, Danny?
Queen's Eggroll?
Queen's Egg Roll. Just a moment here. Egg roll queen.
Eggroll Queen. Had it backwards.
Want to give it a try?
No, you bite it first. They said it was hot, so you can bite it first.
I'm the guinea pig.
Yes.
Ouch, that does feel hot.
Yeah, see?
That was very hot. It was tasty though.
I'm waiting. I'm not going to take a bite.
We'll be back in a moment. That was very tasty.
It's hot.
I'm back with Tammy giving it a try.
One right here.
Just makes you smell better to me, sweetie. That was good, wasn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Sauce good too?
Mm-hmm. Nice and crunchy. Nothing worse than a soggy egg roll.
Wow.
Very good, huh?
Very, very good. I like that a lot. I think that might be one of the best egg rolls
Yeah,
I've ever
right?
had in my life. Tasty. From Egg Roll Clean. And it says the best egg rolls in town, and I have to agree.
Mm-hmm.
See ya. Right there's my barbecue pulled pork sandwich from the Rolling smoke. You want to give it a try first, Tim?
Nope, you're the first.
I'm the guinea pig again, huh? Now I'm a level 55 Viking, so let's see if I can do this without getting a beard full of barbecue sauce.
Like it?
Very good.
Nice.
Your turn.
I'm not doing this on camera anymore.
I'll take that. Nice. What do you think? Very good, huh?
Very good.
Pulled pork sandwich from Rolling Smoke. See ya.
Ice cream?
That's Tammy's coconut deep fried ice cream.
I've never had it before.
Never had deep fried ice cream. I've had it, it's pretty good. They batter ice cream and then they deep fry it real quick. So it gets like a crunchy shell.
Oh my god.
Good? Nice.
Isn't that
Tasty.
good?
Yeah. Very coconutty. Got some stuff on my lip. Because the egg rolls were so good here, I bought 3 more. I'm just waiting for them. I bought a chicken, a pork, and a strawberry egg roll. So we'll see. Nice, you're happy. Amy loves
Very
coconut.
good. That's so good. Yeah, coconut.
Yeah. It's my perpetually beautiful wife. Oh, hey, we just want to give a shout out to Vince. We just met him in front of Eggroll Queen, a fellow watcher. We really appreciate you watching, Vince. Again, the egg rolls were so tasty, I had to buy 3 more for the trip back. I got a chicken, a pork, and a strawberry. We'll let Tammy try the strawberry one first.
But it might be if it's too hot though. Holy buckets, these are like super hot.
Alright, I'll use my tortilla fingers
Yeah.
and give it a try.
Right?
Alright, here we go.
What do you think? Like a Pop-Tart?
Wow. It is kind of like a Pop-Tart.
I was just gonna...
Yeah. Or like a crunchy chicken crepe or strawberry crepe.
Oh, it's got cream cheese in it.
Yes.
Oh, that's nummy.
Oh, that's very good.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh. Again, Eggroll Queen. Wow, I've heard a lot about them. Tammy especially.
They're all over Facebook, and she like goes to these things and she sells out like super quick.
Nice.
So I'm very happy that we got to try her.
Yes.
Check her out. Awesome.
Again, cream cheese and strawberry. Very tasty.
I'm good.
Well, we hope you I'll wipe my face off here. We hope you enjoyed the East Side's what's it called? The food truck something or another.
Yeah, festival.
For Gustavus Adolphus Church.
Mm-hmm.
Again, we got some good food. That's all. We're expecting a rescue pup today that is going to be on the channel. And should be some interesting filming with that.
Mm-hmm.
See ya.
Cutie.
Yes. Bye.
Bye, guys. Have a great day.
Thanks for watching. Check out our merch store down below.